It's been a minute. It's actually been like 3 years. If you're still here, if you're still watching this, and you still care, I love you. With all that out of the way, we're here today to talk a little bit about this channel going forward, as well as a couple of cool things I have coming up. So, in the past, I had been talking a lot about, well, backpacks. And backpacks and carry are something I really like. But for the last couple of years, I've been making videos over at Carryology. That's going to continue, but on this channel, I'm going to talk about other things that are important to me, like gaming, my family, travel, and photography. For those of you who don't know, photography is my main gig, and I'm going to be focusing on that a lot. Speaking of photography, I have a workshop coming up. It's an online workshop focused on mobile photography and small cameras. During the workshop, we're going to talk a little bit about how to get the best out of things like your iPhone or your Android or whatever it is you use, and also smaller cameras like the Ricoh GR and Fuji X100 and all those kind of things. On top of that, there are going to be other cool things in the future coming up for this channel, as well as just me in general. So, much love for sticking around. And if you want to sign up for that workshop, the link will be in the description below. There are a couple of spots left, and it's just a couple of days away at the time of filming. But feel free to click through, have a look, see if it's for you, and sign up if it looks like something that, you think could be useful. We're even going to talk about taking pictures of bags. With all that being said, that's it for now. I can hear my baby in the other room. She's not a baby anymore, but she's waiting for me to go sing Ants Go Marching, because that's how she falls asleep every night. So, that's how dads work, right? Much love. As I said before, I'm super stoked you're all still here. And see you soon, right here. Bye-bye.